Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 easy approval accounts to build your business credit. These accounts are going to be very easy to get with very low minimum requirements. In order to get approved, we're going to talk about what you need to get approved for each account, and then also we're going to also tell you what business credit bureaus each account reports to. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, our highly anticipated business credit ebook has just released. It is on sale at the special launch price of $99. This is discounted at 50% because the price will be going up to $199 because of the valuable information that is inside of this book. A lot of people sell business credit ebooks that are only 20 to 30 pages long, and it doesn't have a lot of information. It leaves a lot of details out. It leaves a lot of questions to be asked. So with this particular ebook, we are giving away free bonuses. You get access to our Facebook group that we are opening up just for those who purchase the business credit ebook as well as our personal credit ebook. You also get credit builder accounts to go with this to help build your personal credit, as well as a secret lenders list for free. So you're getting free bonuses with this ebook purchase. Make sure that you go ahead and click the link down in the description if you want to learn how to build business credit without using your personal credit. This gives you so much information. It's 100+ pages. You're pretty much paying less than $1 per page. Most business credit ebooks do not have the information that we have in this ebook, I'm telling you. So click the link down in the description and get access today. So the first account that we're going to talk about is Credit Strong. So what Credit Strong does is they provide secured loans that you could use to build credit on the personal side as well as the business side. Now on the business side, they have different price points. So they have a $2,500 plan, and this is how the plans work. So each plan will report a certain loan amount to the business credit bureau. So this one is the $2,500 plan. So they're going to report a $2,500 loan to the business credit reporting agencies. The first plan is $100 a month, and they have a one-time non-refundable fee of $349, and all of the payments go towards your savings. And then the other one is a little bit more. It's about $15 per month more, but the fee, the non-refundable administration fee, is a lot less. But here's the thing, you're going to not be able to save that entire payment that you're paying, that $115 per month. You're not going to be able to save that entire amount with the lower down payment fee or the lower administration fee. So you're going to end up paying 13.2% on interest. So I would not recommend getting this plan because the interest will come out of your monthly payment. So they're going to be reporting to Equifax, PayNet, and SBFE, and then pretty soon they'll be reporting to Experian and DMB. So they have 2 other plans, which will be the $5,000 plan and then the $10,000 plan. So the next account is the Clear Card. So this is pretty much like a charge card. You'll pay your balance. Whenever the balance is due, you have to pay it in full. So they do have 7-day term, 15-day terms, and net 30 terms. So if you get approved for the net 30, whatever balance that you accrue on your account, you will have to pay that back within 30 days. So it's kind of like an Amex charge card, except for you don't get all of the perks and rewards, but Amex does have charge cards that you have to pay back every month. But this card here does not require a personal credit check. It does not require any personal finances or anything like that. What they do is they look at 6 months of your banking history. So when you sign up, you'll connect your banking or your checking account to the system, and they'll analyze that and see your revenue that you're bringing in every single month, and they'll approve you based upon that revenue. And also a really cool thing is that they also report to the business credit reporting agencies immediately. So you don't have to wait 60, 90 days for this card to start reporting. They report to the 3 major business credit reporting agencies such as DMB, Equifax, and Experian. You will also receive unlimited physical and virtual cards when you get approved. You can do expense tracking. You can create virtual cards for different reasons, for different vendors, different employees, so on and so forth. And you get to manage your spending all in one place. Also, there is automated accounting, so you don't waste your time with doing accounting. They can automatically sync with QuickBooks. They have real-time submission of receipts and other accounting info. And they also have live setup help and ongoing support. So that is the second account that you can get pretty easily. So the next one that you can get, which is the third account, would be eBarrett. So pretty much they are partnered with Hardware Express, Supply Works, Wilmer, and Home Depot Pro. So they really have different products on each of those sites, but they're pretty much the same company, owned by the same company. They report to Experian. So pretty much when you want to sign up for this company, you'll pretty much click on become a customer. This is also going to be a net 30 account, which means that you will need to pay your bill in full within 30 days of your purchase. So click on become a customer, and then you're going to create your Home Depot Pro account. You'll fill out this information, and then once you have created your account, you should be able to apply for their Net 30 account. Now, in order to get approved, you will have to be in business for at least a year, and all of these accounts that I showed today, you will need to have all of your information set up correctly with the Secretary of State. Also, with your online listings on your website, your phone number needs to be set up with the 411. You need to have all of your documents properly set up and properly filed with the same address and phone number matching everywhere in order to get approved for these accounts. Keep in mind, these are easy to get accounts, tier 1 easy approval accounts, similar to personal credit, where you have easy to get personal credit accounts like store credit cards or secured cards. You have to start off with that kind of stuff to build your personal credit. It's similar with business credit if you want to do it in a way that you don't have to use your personal credit at all, and you want to start building your business credit profile and really separate your personal finances from your business finances and not have to risk your personal credit if you end up defaulting or anything happens to your business that's not going to show up on your personal credit and damage your personal credit. So the next company is Pilot Flying J. This is a fuel company. You can get fuel cards from Pilot Flying J without a personal guarantee. They give you discounts on gas. You earn rewards. You can also purchase food and beverages at the gas station. So you're into trucking, or you have a Turo business or a rental car business, this is a really good account to have. If you are in an area that has the Pilot Flying J location. Right now they're doing 10 cents off of every gallon of gas. So they run these type of specials at different times of the year. So when you click on Fleet and Business, you can choose whether you want the Axle fuel card or the small business fuel card. The Axle fuel card, this is generally used if you are into trucking. If you have a trucking company, you want to definitely apply for this one. You can get approved within 24 hours. And also if you have drivers or anything like that, you can set limits on each card to pretty much control how much your drivers spend on fuel. So if you click on apply now, you're going to scroll down and you're going to fill out the company information. You're going to need to have your EIN, and you can also put your DMB on here as well. Actually, I would recommend that you put your DMB on there because they do report to Dun & Bradstreet, and you want to make sure that you get that reporting so that it's building up your business credit. So fill out this part, and then you're going to add all of your drivers on step 2, your EFT information, your fleet information, and then your additional information. You're going to review the application, and then you're going to sign it. It's a pretty easy process. As long as you have everything set up correctly with your business, you should be good to go. Now, the last account that we're going to talk about is eCredible. This particular account can be used for business and personal credit. Right now, we're going to talk about the business credit side. For this one, they have a program called eCredible Business Lift. So this is where they will actually report your phone, your office leasing payments and other payments to the business credit reporting agency. So they report to DMB, Equifax, CreditSafe, and Experian. It is a one-time $49 setup fee. So all of the bills that you pay, like in your office, like your internet, your cell phone, if you have cable, you can get those different accounts reporting, especially if they don't already report to the business credit reporting agencies. You can get this reporting and boost your scores by getting these different lines reporting, or trade lines reporting. So it's $49.95 to start, and then $9.95 per month. You can cancel at any time. You can link unlimited eligible business account types like electricity, water, gas, etc. So when you connect your account, they can go up to 24 months of payment history. I believe they're backdating 24 months of payment history. That's really gonna boost your scores, especially if you just now started building business credit. You may have already had your business set up for a while and you just now started getting into building the business credit side. This can really help you jumpstart everything. All right, so that is it for this video.